Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily block violent games in Roblox on iPhone and Android. Roblox offers a ton of exciting games across many different genres, but not every experience is suitable for all players, especially younger children. Some Roblox games may contain fighting, weapons, scary themes, or other forms of violent content that parents may want to restrict. Roblox includes built-in parental controls and content restriction settings that allow you to limit access to age inappropriate experiences. By adjusting these settings correctly, you can filter out games with stronger violence levels and create a safer gaming environment for children and younger players. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch Roblox on your iPhone, iPad or Android devices. And then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option in the menu. Then you have to select privacy and content restrictions option. After that, choose content maturity. Now, finally, you have to choose minimal or mild level depending on your preference, and that's about it. Going forward, Roblox will contain occasional mild violence, light and unrealistic blood. Once the appropriate content restrictions and parental controls are enabled, Roblox will help you filter experiences based on the selected maturity level, reducing access to games with violent or unsuitable content. For even better safety, parents can also enable account PIN protection, monitor friend requests, restrict chat features, and regularly review account settings. Since Roblox frequently updates its safety tools and content systems, keeping that updated is also highly recommended. Now that you have unlocked these pretty helpful features, make the most of them as and when the need arrives in order to keep the violent content at a fair distance. And I'll catch you up in the next one.